Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up automatic payments for your Geico insurance bill in 2025. Alright, this is gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time on this one at all. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, now let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account, and there are two ways to do this. You can choose to log in on the Geico's website, or you could choose to log in on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, the next step is going to be to click on billing and then select automatic payments. Once that's done, you're going to enter your payment information, including your bank account or credit card details. Now once that's completed, you're going to review and confirm your automatic payment setup, just to make sure that everything is accurate and you didn't make any mistakes. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and submit your setup, and Geico is going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up automatic payments for your Geico insurance bill in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in the